I make decisions in this country. And if you don't like it, you can quit this government. And Rigathi, please, keep off foreign affairs. Wefanya kazi yako ya naibu wa rais. I say, Mr. President, these are concerns that have been raised to me. This is about our image internationally. Yeah? And I think it is only fair that you listen to me. Only for me to come and realize later that the president and the president of Kosovo are having a business deal in Mombasa, over a hotel in Mombasa.
Which hotel is this?
Let me give you the name. It's just it's escaping my mind.
Now we're talking. Okay.
It's escaping my mind, and so because of commercial interests, yeah, by the president, commercial interest by the president, as a country now, you have heard what has happened. Zambia is up in arms. Yeah. Moscow is up in arms. Yeah. It's the Dolphin Hotel
in Mombasa.
The Dolphin Hotel is a joint venture between President William Ruto and the president of Kosovo. And because of the president's commercial and selfish interests, we are now in trouble with Serbia. We are in trouble with Russia. I mean, this is not right, you know. And he really hated me for raising that matter.
Okay.
And he was very bitter. Again, you know, he's also interfering with the DRC. And I can confirm that he is creating problems in DRC through involvement with M23 because of his interest in gold business in the DRC. And as the chairman of the East African community, William Ruto cannot solve any problem in this region because he is an interested party because of commercial interest. And that is why you found that our embassy in Kinshasa was attacked by the people of that country because of our involvement, you know, in the internal affairs of that country and involvement with the rebel movement against a legally established government.
Right.
So these are things that the president and I were disagreeing from time to time. Because I told him, you know, again, people from foreign affairs came to see me. I went to see him. Again, he really told me off, you know, and told me to keep off foreign affairs and leave it to him and the Minister for Foreign Affairs. I said, Mr. President, this has to do with the stability of our region. So I want to say to us, the international community, to put an eye on this country. We are not going to have peace and security in this region unless they rein in on the impunity of William Ruto and his appetite for commercial ventures in the region. Because of his appetite for commercial ventures, he's putting the country in an embarrassing diplomatic position and is endangering peace and security within the region. And these are things I raised with the president because nobody else could face him. Musalia cannot face him. Nobody else can face him. They all tremble when they see him. Even when they know what he's doing is wrong, you know, nobody else can face him. And that is why he had to get rid of me because I was becoming an irritant. You know, every time there are issues, I raise it with him.
Okay.
And yeah.
So you've mentioned Dolphin Hotel, and we'll definitely try and look up at the ownership of that hotel.
Oh,
the DRC issue.